The game mode is capture the village. Our team have to clear out the nearby village and then hold off against waves of enemy players. For this mission I am equipped with my Airsoft sniper and my Mark 23 pistol. I decide to regroup with my team in an attempt to take out the players in the village.
Got him.
Good fucking shot, saw that.
God, that guy's lucky he didn't get fucking shot in the head. Oh! Did you see that? I didn't even know he's gonna peek. Race, I'm gonna run across in front of you. Coming across. Coming across.
With heavy resistance on the right flank, I decide to take a more central route and use the dense foliage as cover.
One down. Fellas. Where'd that come from?
All enemies neutralised and the village is secure, so we need to hold our ground and defeat endless waves of enemy players.
I got him.
Cover him.
Is that blue all the way down there?
Yeah, at the end of the path.
Back in.
That was a hit.
The enemy players are just using their snipers to pick us off one by one, so I dig in and wait for them to get a little bit closer.
Haha. Hit! Hit! Dead man! Dead man!
After being taken out within the last 5 minutes of the game, I am out of the fight. Please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and hit the notifications icon for more future videos. Comment your favourite moment below, I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next one.